So hi and welcome once again. So in this video we are going to just see an overview of what Doodly is all about, what is home screen and all the other steps. So I am in my desktop. Sorry about the clutter in desktop. I am not a highly very organized person, so I'm going to just double click the Doodly and let's see what happens. So after installation you will have Doodly in your desktop, but many times if it asks for username and password, so I want you to just log in using the username and password, and after that you get this basic screen here. So this screen we have this area recent videos. You may create a video just by pressing this click on new video, or if you have created any other videos over here, it would come. So I just work around a lot with Doodly, so you can just see here so many videos. And this is the project. Shared projects means you can just create a folder, and if another person is working on the same platform, then you can just move it to shared folder. And this is just nothing but titles, and these are templates. I'll just get to the templates in the last section because let's just finish doing some good videos in Doodly and then we'll go to more to templates. So other than this, what is all this is? So this, if you really want to watch the basic tutorials, you can just start here, go to the YouTube page, and this is with the contact support and Doodly marketplace. So this thing is like you have many preset characters inside Doodly itself. I will show you, but if you really need something special, so let's get and just check this thing out. So it goes into this Doodly marketplace, and you will have like emotions. So if you really going to make some YouTube video with different kind of emotions where you're not finding in inside Doodly, so you can just buy and download. I think you can just see it here. So what are all the other stuffs? Angry human shouting and all the other kinds of stuff. So I'm not going to go much inside this. The other thing what I spoke about is Doodly Enterprise. I hope so. I told you that you can purchase an Enterprise separately. So right now this is just a Doodly standard edition. If you really want to just upgrade to Enterprise, you can just go here, press upgrade. The additional 2800 plus character images, 1700 more prop images, 35 fonts and everything you will get for $147. Yes, you need to shell out another $147. So this is for Enterprise. Then what is this Doodly Rainbow? Yes. The thing what happens in after you buy Doodly is you will be getting all your characters in black and white only. You will not have a color images. So if you want all these things in color, you need to buy Doodly Rainbow. So this is another platform. There is another software called as Doodly, wherein also you can create more animations, and this I'm not going to get much. So the important thing would be Doodly Enterprise and Doodly Rainbow. So if you really want something, just go ahead and click it open. So next, other than this, the same thing what you'd be quit Doodly, file and all the other things. So let's just go and press create a new video. So when you press create a new video, you have much options like whiteboard, chalkboard, glassboard, custom, and we'll just get to this slowly. But right now I would prefer only whiteboard. I'm not going to go for chalkboard or glassboard or maybe custom or something like this. Go click whiteboard, and if you need a title, yes, first I would need a title. I'll just put just new, and you have a resolution here. You may click the resolution, but during exporting the video also you can change the resolution, or else if you want to keep it for 480 pixels, it is okay. But then is also another resolution called as Facebook and Instagram. The width and height would be 1080 into 1080. So right now I'll go here. So constrain aspect ratio, it is not going to change the aspect ratio, and I'm going to press create. Yes. So it has created a video. So you can just see the name of the video to here. So in this thing, we'll Doodly software, we'll just have 4 areas. So let us take this first area. It can be like your project manager where you have your files, what you need to pull it up, something like that. Then this region, you can call it as like source monitor. Source monitor is nothing but whatever things you do in timeline, you can just find it here, and also it will help you to preview also. So this area comes to about scene settings. We'll get into detail, but right now we can, and this place what you see is here is a timeline. One slot you have an area where you can just put this images, and second would be to add music, and the third would be to use voiceover. And what about the settings here? This is the settings. So you have a title here, and you can preview how the hand is. Now this is dark chalkboard and all the other stuff. Don't worry about it. Don't worry, never ever worry. We'll just see each and everything inside. So this is a real hand and this is a cartoon hand. I would love using cartoon hand for all my things. So erase mode is also there. When we want to erase something, you want to erase it with your finger, eraser, or just put it in smart mode. This is transitions. What is mean by transition is when you want to move from one scene to another. This swipes left, this swipes right, and this goes up. For example, if you want to put, you're going to just use some arrow marks in your video. So the arrow marks points towards the right side. So during those times, the next transition could be swipe right. So I hope so you get it up here. Camera panning, normally for Doodly, I don't love to use camera panning because I really don't find it to be too perfect. So right now I'm not going to change anything. Okay, so you basically have a scene here. So what about this area, left area? So in case if you want to make your workspace more, just go press here. And if you really want some kind of grid where you want to put everything in an order, go to grid. So I'm just going to hide grid. Once again, I'm going to just open here. So this place, the first thing is called as scenes. If you want some kind of predetermined scene, just go something like if you want to put a beach here, just go drag it up, you will see a beach here. So this is all about this. You can just drag and drop the scenes. So here the modern thing is I want you to just check out all the scenes that is available in Doodly, this platform. So when you want to create a video, I think you will have a good amount of idea. See, just we'll go here. I'm going to just delete this. So for example, if you just want to create a YouTube video of people sitting in a bus, it's going to be pretty easy, right? You're going to just drag here. You can just, okay, for an example, I'll go here. So I'll go for characters. You have so many characters here, right? Yes. Okay. Now I need to just put up a person sitting. I go here, just type sitting. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Amanda sitting. Okay. I'll just put Amanda here. So we have just pulled a new character here. Like, I don't know where is Amanda here. Okay, now I'm adding Amanda here. Okay, now this Amanda is of that side, so it is inappropriate, right? You go here, you have an option called as flip. Now you can just see like Amanda sitting here. I just make Amanda a little bit bigger. Okay. Okay, this is good. Amanda sitting here. Okay, now for some other person, Adam sitting here. We'll just put Adam here. Add an Adam here. Again, once again, I'm going to just change it, flip it here. So kind of make Adam a little bit bigger. Okay, Adam sitting here. So it looks like two people are sitting in bus. So the length of this file is almost like 60 seconds. So what happens is that when you want to just doodle something, it's going to take 60 seconds. But right now I am not going to do anything. I want everything to be complete. So I'm going to just save this. So let's preview the thing. Okay, I'm going to just close the preview here. Now what happens is that you will just see over the right hand side that these are all layers. Each and everything is a layer. If you want, just go click here, delete it, something like that. Okay, everything is a layer here. So if you really want to just change the duration of this entire layer, go here. I'm going to reduce everything here. So let's just see. Now whenever I reduce, you can just see the amount of seconds coming slowly down, right? So we'll just go here 1.2. Okay, you want to even click the thing, just 1 second. I'm going to just press 1 second here. Let's see, 1 second. 1. Okay, something like that. So what happens is the duration of this file is this scene is also reducing. Now earlier you would have seen it in 55 seconds. Now it seems reducing, right? So I'm going to just pull it here and pull it up at 35 seconds. Again I have reduced it. So this thing is really going to play only for 30 seconds. Let's try once again for 25 seconds. Okay, now I'm going to just press preview here. So this is all creating a scene in Doodly is all about. I think it's very easy, right? So I'll just go here. I don't need this, so I'm going to just press delete here. So okay, you have just a new scene here. So this is all about characters. So if you want to really just search for something, just go here and search for the characters and drag and drop it into the scene. And next is like club. So when you go here, it would be an enterprise edition. You can just see marked everything as locked. Enterprise edition has many characters here, but if you're really very serious to create a YouTube video, go in for enterprise service, not required. Shared is if you are working with alone another person and they have put some characters over here, it could come in share. So don't worry about share for now. And what is this doodle rainbow? So now you can see here, I'm going to just, okay. Now let's see doodle rainbow, what is all about. So doodle rainbow is, you can just see here all the characters, everything comes in a color background. Really looks pretty cool, right? But still you have to spend another like $67 to get a doodle rainbow. If you're really interested, go for it. I don't mind it. Okay, now what is this? Props. So these are things which I inserted. You will not have it in your doodly things. So these are some of the props here. For example, just just go click a table here. So you find a table, just go drag a table here. So it comes into the scene. You can just go anywhere, click it here. And these is just text, and you want to add a text, go ahead, add a text. Go here, double click, and I'm going to just new table. I'm going to just type something. New table for sale. So if I want to just change the name of the color, I'll just put the color here. Okay. So new table for sale. The scene is just 5 seconds. Let us preview something. I feel so it's kind of very simple, right? I think you would have understood everything here. And this is for music. If you really want to put a music here, just something like these are all the recorded audio or something what I did it. So if you want some music, go here and drag this music and shows here. So let's just play. It's kind of very simple, right? So this is how you add it. And another is a marketplace. If you really want to purchase something, go for it. And this side, what happens, it is for saving your video, and this is for previewing. You can export from here, and this I already told you can just change the duration here. So what is scene settings? I go here. So now this, use the board and hand style from the video. If you want to just change it, go here, make it off, and create your own hands, right-handed or left-hand side. And subtitle is an area where we are going to add subtitle. We'll come back to it because it's kind of really very important in order to create your YouTube videos. So I'm going to just click and close this. Other than that, you wouldn't find much here, anything. So we are going to just work out the things you'll be able to understand when we slowly starts working about it, right? So that's all for this video is about. I'll just see you in the next video. What is the next video is all about? It's going to be some kind of script that you're going to work for your YouTube videos. So see you then. Bye bye.